friends, how are you today? Today I will make a small tips help you implement the shimmer in Android in just a few minutes. Example, I have the application, I open it now, and here is the item I will open again because I implement in the progression logged in. So now I have progress. It look not so really cool. So now I need to define some color. I already had the app open here. I had the colors XML files. I define some color code here. It's a gray and light gray. And our app will be lost in the main fragment in the main activity. I use some techniques example, use the navigation, use the MVVM architecture pattern and the hue in the project, but I didn't mention much in this video. So now let's start. To use the shimmer, I will use the Endover libraries. So first of all, I need to define in our version here. I need to go here and define the value here. I already define here, and then I go to the libraries. I define the library values here. That is com.github there. Skydovers and Android values. Yes, and then I need to include that dependency library to our application. So I just open the application here. Elements that I include here. Now I need to update the main fragment. Make sure we use the well libraries. So I just update that. Here I need to define some properties, and I just update like this. I will explain for you a little bit, and I need to import for notice, yeah, this one, and then I already have some gray color, and this one the light gray, and then it had the base and alpha, and then the base color. So yeah, so that's for the layout. In the main fragment, I need to have some update. That's a doesn't have that adapter assignment with the sheet set adapter, yeah, and just update here. And then also we need to set layout manager. Then this one, it doesn't call directly, but we need to call the get RecyclerView. Update here. Another, we need to display how many items will be shimmer. So here we need to use padding, add, and then I just add 6 items. Here I need to start well and unveil. So every time the application lost, and it will call the view model. View model will have the video here. I just update the login status and got the result here. And the result, I define the class that has the status, and it has some verify that is login status or is error or success. I just come back here and update when the wells and when a unveil. So I need to check that it is not a login, so we need to use that eval, and then other case is should unveil. So now I will run the application again, and then you will see the shimmers in the RecyclerView. Yeah, it will run. You see that. Okay, I forget to remove the loading progress. So I need to go to the main fragment. So just get rid of the loading progress. We don't need to use this anymore. So I need to restart again, and then we see the result. Yeah, we need to terminate. Yeah, it looks so cool, right? If you like my video, just leave a comment, or you have different way to implement the shimmer in Android, please let me know. This is not the Jetpack combos, but I will come back with the Jetpack combo soon. I hope it will really help you to import update your current project to use the shimmer. Thank you for watching. See you.